Slow jumping jacks or step jacks are jumping jack alternatives that are easier on your knees and neighbor friendly. If you have knee pain or simply want to modify the basic jumping jack, you can turn it into a stepping instead of a jumping exercise. This is a great way to take the impact out of the move. It can also make it easier if you're just starting. But how to do step jacks? Start standing up nice and tall with your arms by your sides. Then step your right foot out to the side and touch your toe out wide. As you step one leg out to the side, reach your arms out to the sides and up overhead. Then step your foot back in and bring your hands back down to your sides. Step your left leg out to the side and swing your arms back out to the sides and overhead again. Step your left foot back in and step out again with the right. Keep alternating stepping out to each side as you rise both arms up overhead. Move quickly to make the move more challenging.